Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute corner penguin bookmarks. To make this, you will need some black, white and orange or yellow paper, some scissors, a pen and a glue stick. To make the body of your penguin, take your black piece of paper and cut it into a square. I'm using a 14.5 centimetre square. You can go bigger or smaller, it will just make a bigger or smaller penguin. So take your paper and fold in half on the diagonal. Get a nice crisp fold line on that. Next, we're going to take the bottom corner and fold it up to the top, like so. And then we're going to do the same with this corner up to the top. Open the shape out and then taking just the top layer, leaving the bottom one flat, fold that one down to the bottom, like so. So you've got this shape. Then we're going to take the corner, fold it inside this little pocket, down to the bottom, like this. Just push it from the top to make sure it's right down as far as it will go, and then fold it flat, like that. Then do the same with this corner, folding it up and tucking it in to the pocket, pushing it down and folding it flat, like this. And that is the body of your penguin. Next we need to make the eyes and the white body of the penguin. Now if you use the corner of your paper, that will fit just nicely on the bookmark. It means we only need to draw a circle like that to create his tummy. Then we just need some nice big circles for his eyes, and then cut them out. His beak and his feet come out of the orange or yellow paper. Beak is just a triangle. The feet are little flippers like that. And then cut those out. So all that's left to do now is stick your penguin together, and we start with the feet. Just a little bit of glue just on that top bit there, not all over the foot, and they stick on top of the black body. Like so. Next, the white body goes on top, and that hides the top of the feet where we've stuck them. And there we go. Give him some eyes. And then the beak. And the beak we only glue a little bit just on one of the edges, not all over the beak. And then that sticks just under here on this edge. And push it on well. And then after he's dried, he's ready to use. Your little penguin corner bookmark. Once you've mastered the technique of making the body, you can make other creatures and animals using this method. Have a go and see what you can make.